Ayan, ito yung tutorial guys paano gumawa ng bingo. First thing to do is open your StreamYard and then go to the plus sign here. Okay, type let's play bingo, this one, let's play bingo. And then the first one, let's play bingo, the number one free bingo caller of application. Okay, then go back to StreamYard, go to share screen. Okay, ito na po yung lumabas sa screen mo. Ngayon, go to plus again to make a form para ipamimigay din sa baba sa mga tao dito. Mag-open ka ulit and then type mo Google Documents, this one, and then for the first one here, click, and then this one, go to Docs, and then here itong tatlong guhit ito, pindutin and go to Forms. Okay, then go to blank form, click, ito na yung lumabas, and here multiple choice, gawin mo siyang short answer. Okay, and this one, highlight this and change bingo, and then from description make it sure na only main channel, and then no share, no win, and then here question, lagay mo YTC name and then 15 or whatever you want, 15 or 10, 15 digit number. Okay, ito, and then send. Tapos punta dito, this one, shorten URL and this copy. Okay, and then go back to StreamYard and i-paste mo siya dito. Yan, dito sila sasabihin mo na nagbaba ako ng form, mag-fill up na kayo. So pag nag-fill up na sila, bumalik ka dito sa form mo. Pag may isang nag-fill up na doon na tapos na, makikita mo dito sa response. Dito mo makikita yung mga number nila at saka YTC name. Okay, back to StreamYard and then let's play bingo, and then that's it. Play. That's all for today guys, ang ating tutorial sa Let's Play Bingo, how to play Let's Play Bingo online. Okay, and then pag natapos pala guys, pag natapos na to, ayan, reset board, confirm, and then gawa ka ulit panibagong form. Uulitin mo lang yon, ganun lang, gawa ulit ng panibagong form, bawat laro panibagong form. Okay, bye bye, thank you guys, mega love shoutout sa Team Piling, bye bye.